Hi everyone, Shaun from Your Business Loan Guy here. Today we're going to talk about another of the 5C's of credit, and this one's my favourite, and it's character. I spent 20 years in banks and 16 years at NAB, just under, and one of the main things that one of my old credit managers and old bank managers of the past used to say to me was, Shaun, make sure you read the paper every day. It's the first thing you do when you get in the morning. Now, those days have gone and we read everything online these days. However, that does not change the basics of the reason as to why I was supposed to read the paper. I was supposed to read the paper every morning to make sure that my clients were not in it. Credit managers, bankers, anyone involved in finance do not like lending to people with dodgy histories. If there's something that you've done wrong in the past, or there's a reason why your reputation is besmirched, then there's every chance that the bank will not be comfortable lending money to you. However, if you are looking to borrow money from a bank, you need to have a good reputation, because if the bank's lending money to you, that is a reputational risk to them. That if you're expanding a business and it's in some sort of industry that may not be palatable to the public eye, and you've got a bad history, then that's not going to be easy for them to want to lend you the money, because that could affect their reputation as well. So character, one of the 5C's of credit. Are you a good person? Are you a good business owner? Are you a good operator of your business in terms of all the different areas, from an ethical perspective, from an actual operating knowledge perspective, from all sorts of areas? But are you a good person that would represent the bank effectively that's looking to lend you the money? If it's not, then you need to consider cleaning that act up a little bit. But character is one of the big things that banks look at, especially when you're going higher in the number. Not so much if you're looking for a little home loan, $500,000 or something that's just you're trying to buy a house. If you've got a business that's expanding rapidly and you're borrowing more and more money, character becomes a real concern if there's a problem, because the reputational risk, as I said, really does affect you.